Hello, in front of me I have XIAOMI Mi Band 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this device. First, let's open the Mi Fit app on our phone. Here let's tap on Profile. Select our band, Mi Smart Band 5. Here let's scroll down and we have language option. Let's tap on it and we can select one of the languages. Right now the band is in English. I'm gonna show you, as you can see. And to change the language, just select one. For example, let's select Spanish and then tap OK. Now let's see, and as you can see, the language changed. And that's how you change the language on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.